Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll dive right into the exciting world of strategic planning using ClickUp's whiteboards. This is your complete 2025 guide, so let's get started. The first step is to access your ClickUp account and navigate to the whiteboard feature. This is where all the magic happens. We start here because the whiteboard is an interactive canvas that allows you to visually map out and organize your strategic planning process. Now that we've done that, the next step is to create a new whiteboard. Click on the plus New Whiteboard button and give it a name relevant to your 2025 strategic plan. This helps us because it allows us to keep our strategic plans organized and easy to locate. Once you have your whiteboard ready, it's time to fill it with content. Click on the toolbar on the left side of the screen to access different features like sticky notes, shapes, and lines. The reason we do this is to visually represent our ideas, targets, goals, and strategies for 2025. Let me explain why this matters. By visualizing your strategies, it's easier to see the big picture and map out a clear route to your objectives. Next up, you'll want to use the collaboration features. You can invite team members to view and edit the whiteboard, fostering a collaborative environment. This is crucial because strategic planning often involves multiple perspectives, and the more informed your team is, the better your plan will be. Now, let's add some comments and feedback. Click on the comment button to leave notes or feedback on the whiteboard. This helps us because it allows for continuous improvement and refinement of our strategic plan. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. When you leave a comment, it can be viewed by all team members, fostering open communication and facilitating the refining process. Our last major step is to save and share your whiteboard. Make sure you click on Save to keep all your changes, then use the Share button to distribute the whiteboard to your team or stakeholders. We do this to ensure our strategic plan is preserved and accessible to those who need it. And there you have it. You've just learned how to use ClickUp's whiteboards for strategic planning. Remember, a great strategic plan is clear, collaborative, and continuously refined. Now go out and conquer your 2025 goals.